What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today is really short. The video is only probably about 6 minutes long. I'm just showing you guys some different curling techniques because some people think that I only do curls and waves, and I don't, but that is what's most requested in my salon. So I'm one of those stylists, if that's what you want and it's something that is not, damaging your hair, or it's not affecting the integrity of your hair, anything like that, then hey, if 50 clients want curls and waves, 50 clients gonna get curls and waves. So this is Brenda, one of my clients. She's been coming to me for about 10 years, and she loves her little spiky looks or whatever. So why not just go ahead and give you guys a little video. Of course, I'm using my H2 Pro micro iron. It is 3/10, so it's a little bit smaller than the 1/2 inch iron, and it's really good for getting those curls on the side. The short hair, it curls the short hair really well, as well as the top. I do have a review I did on this flat iron, and I'll link a card up top so you guys can refer back to that video later. But, doing short hair is like one of the things that I just really like doing. It's easy, and, it just allows you to be as creative as possible. We are going to, at her next visit, we are going to redo her color because it has grown out. But you guys just enjoy the rest of this video.